Hey guys, Austin Wire here, and today I'm going to be introducing you to my puppy, Jack. 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 Say hi to the camera, Jack. Say hi. Say hi. Jack, say hi. Jackie. Say hi to the camera. Jack, say hi. Say hi. Say hi, bud. Buddy, say hi. Jack, say hi. Say hi. Alright, guys. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here, because this was just a short little video to introduce you to my puppy, Jack. Oh yeah, by the way, he's a Jug. So a Jug is a pug mixed with Jack Russell. In case you were just looking to get a puppy or whatever, look into these. If you're not into hyper dogs or dogs that dig a lot, like outside in dirt, I wouldn't recommend this dog because they are hyper and they do dig quite a lot. At least my dog does, but yeah, and we've had him for about like 2 months, maybe 2 months and a few days. I don't know, but all right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So I will make some more videos for you guys in a little bit. All right, I'll see you here. Peace.